Welcome people, Dancehall skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and certain things that I'm going to talk about in this video. Alright, so first things first, I got information that a man within the country of Guyana stabbed and wounded a female who he was in a relationship with, and at a certain point after the man stabbed and wounded the female, she died. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many times the female had been stabbed, viewers and subscribers, and according to more information that I got, allegedly it is said that the man tried to kill himself by drinking what is believed to be some type of poisonous substance. There is also an allegation about the man trying to kill himself another type of way, but that information is unconfirmed to my knowledge, viewers and subscribers. Understand? Alright, so information are that the incident happened within the month of March, the year 2023, within the country that is known as Guyana. According to more information that I got, it is believed that the man and the woman had relationship problems, and allegedly it is believed that the female wanted to leave the relationship that they had. According to more information that I got, it is said that on the day of the incident, the man confronted the female, and at some point the man held a knife, and it is said that the man stabbed the female with the knife, viewers and subscribers. I also got unconfirmed information that the man might have wounded a family member of the female on the day of the incident. It is said that the man and the woman was in some type of relationship, but I don't have any confirmed information as to what type of relationship, viewers and subscribers. Alright? According to more information that I got, it is said that at some point police was notified about the whole situation, and at some point the man was taken to get some type of medical attention, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? So based on information that I got the understanding that at some point the person had been placed under police guard while getting medical attention, and in my point of view, I think that that person at some point will have to answer to what happened to the female, viewers and subscribers. See, really and truly a sad situation. I have more things I want to talk to you about in this video, but this situation really and truly sad. Someone brought the situation to my attention, got some information about the situation, and alright, so let me know what you think, and I'm going to move on to another topic. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show the way how a person had been treated by a certain amount of persons at what I call a party, because the video shows quite a number of persons who was at a certain location, viewers and subscribers. Now, in my point of view, this video is being talked about and also caused excitement among persons on and off social media. So I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this situation, my people. See? Yeah, you can hear music in the original video itself, you know, but you don't know me. I do some talking about this whole situation of the video here. Look, listen and observe with me. Alright, but people, what do you call a treatment like that now? Yeah? Alright. What would you call a treatment like that? In my point of view, would I say me see that treatment in a movie or movies? I think some people might call a treatment like this royalty. And I think this right here, look here, I think this might be one of the main part of the video that is being talked about on social media or about the whole situation. You see me I say, that's the things that look alright. Now, viewers and subscribers, I don't mean to be disrespectful, and I'm not trying to throw no word as what some Jamaicans say. But any day someone cook food in a pot and somehow the pot explode, depending on how the pot explode, that person cannot cook for me, you know. And if that person used to cook for me, depending on how the pot explode, me not sure if that person are gonna ever cook for me again. You see me? Now I am going to present a video to you that's going to show what I call a pot that was on fire. And at some point, the video shows an explosion. Now viewers and subscribers, I am not able to confirm what was inside of that thing that was on the fire, and I'm not able to confirm what exactly caused that explosion, viewers and subscribers. However, the video shows an explosion. The video shows someone who was paying attention to whatsoever was on that fire or whatsoever was in that thing that was on the fire. And then at some point the video shows an explosion. Viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what do you think might have caused this explosion, and tell me what to think about the situation. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Tell me what you think, my people. Alright, pardon me, there's no audio, but please bear in mind that the video shows an explosion. Look right here. So me talk about people. So I wonder what caused that explosion. Now I start to think about more than two different ways. I start to wonder different things, because that no look normal to me. It's not like that's a pressure cooker. You understand? You know how it go when it comes down to pressure cooker. Pressure cooker is not something to play with. I'm talking about them kind of pot or thing that people use to pressure certain type of meat that really hard to cook. You see me I say? So it's not like it's a pressure cooker that. So my people, me like you tell me what you think might have caused that explosion. You see me I say? Yeah, and I hope that that video can bring some form of awareness depending on what the whole situation really and truly is about. You see me I say? Yeah. And as for some ladies and some gentlemen out there who can cook, you better learn to cook. Now I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of a confrontation that happened between at least two persons who was inside of a store or a supermarket, as some persons might say. In my point of view, based on what I heard at least one person said in the video, the confrontation that started between at least two persons might have started because of exchange of words, and it's like one person did not like what the other person said. Yeah, so me as if you're subscribers, that's in my point of view. But anyways, more you look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about this situation. For some reason, there are some persons on social media who find the situation that they can see and hear in this video to be funny, viewers and subscribers. Maybe it's because of one or more than one words. I'm not sure. So take a look at the video and tell me what you think. And please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
To the bread and me say, excuse me, you man here if you can't cost me.
Give me the same thing.
Black lad, that's what we are describing me for. Me are describing you, not you, man.
Hey,
oh, go on, Christmas. A Christmas is coming up, sir. You want a Christmas now, you know?
Are you black lad, woman?
Right. Yes, sir?
Mangoes, I will look like mangoes now.
Yes, sir, I'll cook up a friend. School that time, I'm check me there. Immediate presenting.
Alright, mama, let me make your pressure go.
I am a
Hey.
I tell you, some people are easy still. No? Some people are easy. You ever hear one term where them say, you throw gasoline on the fire. Instead you throw water for out the fire, throw gas on it or something like that. You see me I say some people are easy. You hear some words of some persons I say and it's like, me I tell you. My people, and I really do. Sometimes it's best to walk away from certain hostile confrontations, and in my point of view, some of the confrontations, them are certain arguments that develop between certain persons and become very hostile. In my point of view, are just silly. Yes, silly would I say, you know, no point, no make no sense, you know. But this is the world we live in, you know. You just have to have patience with people. That's how I look upon it. Alright, so yes, I left it now, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.